And lucky us that we had at least a little
61.
break, a little thaw. I mean, it was not so nice to see my grass. It looks pretty bad, but you know, I mean.
Yeah, usually in the spring we're like, oh, things are greening up. Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. A little bit of a spring shower happening out there, right? Well, some areas are getting heavy rain. Tomorrow morning, it may be some snow showers that you see. Temps will be in the 30s to start 20s through the evening. We're going to see the mercury falling, unfortunately. Here's a look at the radar as it stands right now. The heaviest rain is in our southernmost counties, Carroll County, Tuscarawas County, and then we also have a whole nother batch of rain that is coming in from the west. Let's put this into motion for you. You can see that line as it moves from northwest to southeast. The front came through Cleveland at 8:10 p.m. Winds turned, temperatures dropped, and those winds got a little gusty, and then that helped to fire up this little line of intense rain that moved through, but now that is backed off, and now we have just more light to moderate rain across a good chunk of northern Ohio. Let me see if we can zoom in a little bit here, if I can get this thing to work for me. We'll go down to the southwest first because we have just a big batch of steady, moderate rain that's going to be moving into areas to the south of us, down around the Mansfield area. And if I put this if I stop it for you, hopefully. There we go. You can see that that heavy rain is just starting to move into Mansfield, so Ashland and Wayne counties would be up next. And here's why that is a concern, and that is because we've had a lot of rain down in this area already today. Look down toward Belleville, Loudonville, and then as you head over toward Killbuck Creek, right there on the border of Wayne and Holmes counties. That's where we've had quite a bit of rain throughout the day today. Where you see these orange colors, that's where not only have we had the heavy rain, but we're also getting some localized flooding that's taking place. Just to sample it for you, about 2 inches of rain has fallen where we see these darker greens fading over into the oranges. So it's definitely a soggy night farther south, but farther north we've just had these light rain showers that have been kind of coming and going, and we're going to continue to see that as we go through the night. It's also been a little foggy around town. Once that front dropped in, that turned the winds off the lake, dropped the temperatures, and you can see the temperatures are already starting to slide. Where we have this bluish color, that's where we're in the 40s. Big picture shows there's more blue coming, and that's a problem for the day tomorrow. This batch of rain will move out, and as that cold air moves in, we may have a few flurries for the morning. So just to take a peek at the overnight forecast, you can see the rain moves out. Look how the temperatures drop. We'll be around freezing at the start of the work and school day. 9 a.m. we drop back into the 20s, and I think we unfortunately stay there through midday and into the evening. We'll throw in a few sun peaks for good measure for the day tomorrow. New Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Still cool on Saturday. Saturday night we could have some light snow passing through, then partly cloudy on Sunday. Next week 60s again, but more heavy rain.